back to the channel, guys. So today we've got a stock doggo Supra, new Mk5 Supra coming in. We're actually doing a modification to the standard exhaust to it. So what we're actually going to do is cut the top of the back box off and do a slight modification to it just to make it sound that little bit nicer when you open that, put it in sport mode and open that valve. Nothing else, just weld it back up and wouldn't be the wiser. It's all on top, you can't see it, so let's get to this.
Right guys, so image here in front of you is the actual exhaust of the car. It's full one piece, simple V-band at the front, a few hangers, off it comes. Now we've cut the back box open and it's just as simple as peel it back to reveal the inside. We don't want to cut it all the way open because it would mean more work. It's just simple, peel it back and we've got one big seam to weld all the way around. Now as you can see from in the distance, the actual left hand side crosses over to the right exit, and it's just as simple as under that wadding on the right there is a perforated pipe. We either cover, remove that, just to basically turn that whole left side into a straight pipe when that valve opens all the way from the secondary cat or OPF. Simple as that. You can take the wadding out if you wanted to, maybe just give the whole system a bit more noise, but this customer didn't want that. He wanted silence when the valve's closed or stock sound level. So we put the wadding back in, push the plate back down, weld it up, and we're good to go. Back on the car, and here's the results.
Yep.